The Renault Captur, a subcompact crossover SUV, made its debut in 2013 and has since become a staple in Renault's vehicle range. Fast forward to its second generation, the 2023 model showcases significant enhancements that fortify its position in the market. These updates encompass a revamped exterior design, superior interior finishes, and the integration of cutting-edge technology. On the exterior, the 2023 Captur exudes a dynamic and chiseled look. Its facade is adorned with Renault's distinctive C-shaped LED daytime running lights, complemented by a lustrous chrome grille. The side view is characterized by a neat design, accentuated by an ascending beltline and a gracefully curved roof. The back of the vehicle is equally striking, featuring expansive taillights that span its width and a sporty diffuser, all standing atop 17-inch alloy wheels. The interior of the Captur is designed to comfortably accommodate 5 passengers. The use of plush materials is evident, with the inclusion of stitched leatherette in the more premium variants. Standard features are abundant, with every model boasting a 7-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth connectivity, dual-zone climate control, and keyless entry. Opting for the higher trims grants access to a 10-inch digital dashboard, a wireless charging pad, and an upscale Bose audio system. Under the hood, the 2023 Captur is equipped with a 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that pumps out 140 horsepower. This engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, promising efficient fuel consumption rates of 29 mpg in urban settings and 36 mpg on highways. While front-wheel drive is a standard offering, those desiring more traction can opt for the all-wheel drive variant. Safety hasn't been compromised, with features such as blind spot detection, rear traffic alerts, and autonomous emergency braking. When it comes to cost, the base model of the 2023 Captur is priced at approximately $24,000. However, for those eyeing the more luxurious trims laden with additional features, the price can escalate to around $30,000. In the fiercely competitive subcompact crossover segment, the Captur faces rivals like the Hyundai Kona, Kia Seltos, and Nissan Kicks. The 2023 Renault Captur is a harmonious blend of aesthetics, modern tech, and practicality, all wrapped up in a zesty, compact SUV. Potential buyers seeking a feature-rich subcompact crossover with a touch of European elegance will find the Captur to be a compelling choice. A test drive is bound to unveil a captivating experience, underscored by Renault's signature French panache. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.